Hi guys, it's Rose here again. I'm at Shoes of Hollywood today. I finally flew back into Brisbane, so I'm here today to do more shoe reviews for you guys. And yeah, so I hope everyone had a really good Christmas, good New Year's, and I'm back in Brizzy, so it's time to do my little reviews. So today we're doing the Pleaser Adore-708s. They're a new style, and I am a size 7, so today I'll be reviewing the size 7s. They're in a rose gold colour. They're the new styles, so we'll unpack them and give you a little look and then describe them a little bit more. So yeah, so they're the rose gold with the cuts in the middle on the platform. So you let the light shine through and they look really cute and sparkly. You can also get these in a silver and also gunmetal grey colour, which is really cool, so you have that little bit of variety. So yeah, so it's a 7-inch heel. They're the reflecting metallic kind of rose gold. As I said, you've got the cuts in between, like in the gold, so it shines through, makes it look a little bit different than the normal just plain rose gold ones. You've got the new style lip here, so they don't get caught as much on stage. They've got the nice clear straps. They actually mold into your foot the more you wear them, so they're really sturdy and they're great. And yeah, as I said, you've got the different adjustments on your clear strap. You've got the really grippy bottom, new lip as I said, and the foot here is so good. It's really, really soft and comfortable, so your foot would mold just absolutely beautiful in these shoes. So yeah, as I said, you've got the 7-inch heel, really sturdy strap, clear strap down here, so it's a lot better than the coloured one, so you can see your pretty toes, nail polish, that kind of thing. So, but as I said, you've got the cuts through the gold here, which I really love, is my favourite, because when you do wear them, a lot of light shines through and they just make them look extra sparkly. So we're just going to put these ones on and I'm going to give you a little look and see how they look while I'm walking around. Alright. Put this sides on. Really good metal buckle, clear strap. And as all your normal new shoes, you get the pretty little box and you get your little carry protection little bag as well. Give you a little bit of a side-on look at these ones. Dusty pens. Alright, we're going to go outside. We'll show you how they look outside. These ones are really, really comfortable to walk in. They're like a dream, like walking on a cloud. Alright, another little look. I really do like these ones. These are probably one of my favourites, but then again, I love all Lisa shoes. But they're very, very comfortable. Mold to your foot very well. Again, I love this design of the cuts through the gold. So, yes. Alright. Easy on and off. So we have the Pleaser Adore-708 in the rose gold. Beautiful. So there we have it, guys. Thank you very much. See you soon.